So how do you allow sharing files from MacBook to the iPad? So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there are a few things you should know. The main method, which shares files in the background without you even caring, is over iCloud. And you can check out your iPad and go to your profile and then turn on the iCloud section, where you can specifically manage individual apps and services which are synced over the iCloud, right? So you can see we have stuff like photos, files, mail, and all of the other things. And you just want to make sure it's turned on the iPad as well as on your Mac. And all of those things will then be synchronized over the internet between your devices, right? So this is like automatic sharing of files between the Mac and iPad. If you are referring to a different method of sharing files, it might be through AirDrop. And this can also be done very simply, but on your iPad, you need to make sure you have the AirDrop turned on. So go to the control center, go to the connectivity button there, and you should be able to find AirDrop, right? And you need to turn it on for contacts or everyone for 10 minutes, but you just need to make sure it's not set to receiving off. In that case, your iPad will be hidden and your Mac will not be able to find it in the network, and therefore it won't share the files, right? So that's like the main methods of sharing files. So this is how you can allow it. So hopefully you found what you needed. In case you have something specific that you want to share or ask, you can use the comment section below, but most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.